This is the pin diagram of IC CD4016. It has 4 bilateral switch. As you can see here is switch 1, switch 2, switch 3 and switch 4. For this switch, it has 2 pin and the switch is controlled by pin number 13. If pin number 13 is 0, then this switch will work as an open circuit, and if pin number 13 is 1, then this switch will work as a closed circuit. For the second switch, pin number 5 will control this switch. For this switch, pin number 6 will control, and the fourth switch is controlled by pin number 12. For the practical, we will use switch 2. You can take any other switch. I am taking switch 2. So with this pin, I will connect plus 5 volt, and with this I will connect a resistor. It is 220 ohms, and then one LED, and the negative pin of the LED will be connected to the ground, and this switch is controlled by pin number 5. So whenever we make this pin 0, the LED will turn off, and whenever we make this pin 1, then this LED will glow up. Pin number 14 should be connected to the plus 5 volt and 7 to the ground. Now we will see this thing on breadboard. This is the IC 4016. Pin 14 is connected to the positive rail and pin 7 is connected to the ground. As we are going to use the second switch, pin number 3 and 4 are the pins of second switch, and this switch is controlled by pin number 5. As pin number 5 is controller, it means it is input. So with pin number 5, we have to connect a pull down resistor. It is connected. With pin number 3, I am connecting plus 5 volt. With pin number 4, I am connecting a 220 ohms resistor. And with this, positive pin of the LED is connected, and the negative pin is connected to the ground. So this is how we have connected the switch. And this is pin number 5. So whenever we keep this pin low, then this LED will turn off, and whenever we keep this high, it will turn on. Now we have to connect the power supply. Here it is positive and the negative. As you can see, we are providing 0 to the pin number 5, so it is low. It is high means the LED is turned on. It means the switch is now working as closed circuit. Instead of LED, we can use any other load. Basically, this IC is used to control audio signal. In that kind of circuit, we need to turn on and turn off the switch in very high speed. So in that case, we have to use this kind of switch. So this is the basic thing of IC CD4016. Thanks for watching.